Hi everyone, I'm Vandana Rai from Immigration Advisors New Zealand, and I'm making this video for that group of you who are eligible for 2021 resident visa and who may require a character waiver. So the group that I would be covering today is of those applicants who may have taken assistance from any unlicensed advisor in their previous applications, or their partners may have taken assistance from an unlicensed person, and in the course of their applications, immigration may have questioned on whether you have provided any false and misleading information to immigration. So just to make all of you aware that if you have been seen as a person who has provided any false and misleading information, or if you have withheld any material information from immigration in any of your previous applications, and you were required to submit a character waiver and your visa was thereafter granted after the character waiver, you may be required to submit a character waiver with this application also. So one of the requirements for a residence to be granted is that you meet the good character requirement. So for all those who may have previously got into a situation where they would have applied for a character waiver and then received the character waiver on the temporary application, please be aware that you may be required to submit a character waiver, a request, if you're deemed to be not meeting the good character requirement with this application as well. Those of you who had a previous decline which you unintentionally missed submitting, and in the course of a temporary visa application, immigration questioned, did you deliberately withheld that information? Did you provide false and misleading information to immigration? And then you had to submit a character waiver which was eventually approved. Or your partner from offshore took help from an unlicensed immigration advisor, or a person who was not licensed to give immigration advice. A lot of offshore agents a few years back used to submit a partnership-based application when they were clearly not licensed, and that information was withheld and not provided with the application. So if you were ever, or your partner was ever required to submit a character waiver previously, please make sure that in your submission you cover all the aspects that how do you meet the good character requirement now, or be ready with your character waiver submission in the residence visa application as well. Any clarifications, any information that you need, please feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to provide information on that. Thank you.